If you look closely at a computer screen, you eventually see the pixels. You hit the limit of the resolution. If you look closely at the universe, we assume it should be smooth and infinite. But physics suggests otherwise. When we zoom in far enough, we hit a hard limit. Space is not continuous. Time is not continuous. The universe is pixelated. And if the universe is made of pixels, that suggests it was built. It suggests it is a product of code. In video games, there is a grid. You cannot move a character half a pixel. You are either here or there. In our universe, this grid is called the Planck length. It is the smallest possible unit of measurement. Anything smaller than this makes no sense in the laws of physics. It acts exactly like a resolution limit on a graphics card. If reality were real and organic, we should be able to divide space infinitely forever. But we can't. We hit a bottom. We hit the code. This suggests that the universe has a finite processing power. It can only render so much detail. Video games use a trick called frustum culling. To save processing power, the computer only renders what the player is currently looking at. The world behind you doesn't exist until you turn around. Quantum mechanics behaves suspiciously like this. In the double-slit experiment, particles like electrons behave as waves of probability when no one is watching. They only render into solid particles with a definite position when they are observed, measured. This is efficient. Why calculate the exact position of every atom in the universe if no one is looking at it? It saves RAM. To a physicist, this is the collapse of the wave function. To a programmer, this is level of detail optimization. Every simulation has a processor speed limit. Information cannot travel instantly across the motherboard. There is latency. In our universe, we call this the speed of light. It is the universal speed limit for causality. Nothing can travel faster than it. Why does this arbitrary limit exist? In a simulation, this would be the maximum processing speed of the host computer. If you try to go faster, the game crashes. The fact that there is a hard cap on speed is consistent with the constraints of a computational engine. In 2003, philosopher Nick Bostrom proposed a statistical argument. If a civilization reaches a point where they can simulate a universe, they will likely run billions of them. Therefore, for every one base reality, there are billions of simulated realities. Statistically, the odds that we are in the one true organic base reality are 1 in billions. We are almost certainly not the player, we are the NPCs.